education, I am filled with both excitement and nostalgia. Firstly, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our wonderful teachers. You have been our guiding lights, shaping our young minds with care, patience, and love. From teaching us our ABCs to helping us learn how to share and be kind to one another. You have been with us every step of the way. Thank you, Teacher Sharon and Teacher Daisy, for your unwavering support and commitment. To our loving parents, thank you for entrusting us to this school and for always cheering us on. Your love and encouragement have given us the confidence to explore, learn, and grow. We are truly grateful for everything you do for us, especially my mommy and daddy. You are the ultimate reason why we're here. My kisses, our friends. To my fellow computers, what an incredible journey it has been from the first day we met to the fun times we've shared together. We have made this experience truly memorable. Let us treasure these memories and carry them with us as we embark the next chapter of our life. And lastly, to our Almighty God, has always been a protector and great provider. Without Him, we can do nothing. As we move forward, let us never forget the lessons we have learned here. Let kindness, curiosity, and perseverance be our guiding principles. Let us embrace challenges with courage and determination, knowing that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Today marks the end of one chapter and then the beginning of another. Let us step into the future with optimism and enthusiasm, ready to make our mark on the world. Congratulations, my fellow completers, and may our futures be as bright as our smiles today.